market opened today yet again on a fairly steady footing. So it's a quiet start, but no complaints whatsoever at about 13,185 thereabouts for the markets. You've got the Sensex as well that gets off to a fairly steady move and in fact holding out at around the 44,000 mark in trade. It's largely been led by the Nifty Bank that's driving those gains this morning, and that's been by the private sector banks indeed. So let's just run you through the sectors that are holding out in trade today. There's media, there's infrastructure, auto, FMCG. And mind you, yet again, the star of the show is the broader markets. You're continuing to see a lot of fervor within the mid and the small caps, and that's continuing for multiple trading sessions, today being no exception. 0.7% at the start for the mid cap index, 0.6% for the small cap. So that breadth firmly skewed in favor of the gaining side. IT PSU banks, they're taking a bit of a back seat then in today's trading session. Now this despite the fact that the globe had a little bit of a tentative move. You had the US as well as Asia, which was looking a little bit flat. There are some concerns with respect to the vaccine, as well as the fact that you had the November jobs report coming out in the United States. So all of that kept the mood across the globe a bit somber. But Ultratech Cement, that one's leading from the front. Do remember it's in focus on its massive expansion plans, and that's taken the stock to 5,092. GAIL India not too far behind. You've got L&T powering through with a nice 2% gain. Support from the likes of ONGC, M&M, Tata Motors. You've got Auto and Fine Fettle, so Hero Moto as well as Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors added to that list. HDFC Bank and something like Airtel firmly in the green. It's honestly a very small list of losers, about 5 to 6 stocks. Asian Paints, Infosys looking a bit weak, Tech Mahindra taking a backseat. RIL incidentally is down 0.33% at 1958. Dr. Reddy's, SBI, and very quiet for something like TCS. Just running you through then some of the newsmakers in today's trading session. Of course, you do have Ultratech Cement, which is in focus, and that's largely on the back of their massive expansion plans that they've undertaken. They're going to invest 5,400 crores to add 12.8 million ton capacity. Morgan Stanley's report out on Mindtree, where they have details of their analyst meet. They've got an equal weight with a target price of 13.35. HDFC Bank being closely eyed after the RBI got tough with them on the system outages. Granules India getting some ANDA approvals. That too is keeping the stock in focus. On the broader universe, Adani Power having a terrific run. SpiceJet soaring high. NCC, Tata Power, something like Rain Industries, Central Bank, BHEL, JSW Energy, Navbharat, all doing very well. On the flip side, Vakrangi, Bamalori, Emphasis is muted, persistent in the red, DMart, Tata Elxsi. But nonetheless, a healthy start at around the 13,200 mark nearly.